Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making eggplant rolls, which are very tasty, and anything that have to do with eggplants is usually very tasty. So this one are very good. So let's begin with the first thing that we need to notice, the walnuts. If they are not dry and salted, you need to dry them and salt them. So put them in a bowl with salty water for, I don't know, 1 hour, 2 hours, but probably minimum 1 hour. And then bake them on 60 degrees, which is 100 Fahrenheit, for about minimum of 2 hours. And they will come out perfect. The eggplant you are slicing into slices, not too thin, not too thick, and apply some oil. I applied olive oil, but you can apply sunflower oil, and put them to bake about 20-25 minutes on 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. Now look at that beautiful eggplant that we got. It looks very appetizing. And now we are building the rolls. It's not rocket science. You're taking a spoon of filling and just rolling the eggplant. And this is super simple dish, and it's super tasty. It's amazingly tasty. So thank you for watching, and enjoy it.